Okay, first we gotta take this off. The only thing I hate about the JDM Integra front end is they built in the little license plate tang, this little area right here, into the bumper. How annoying is that, right? So I made this little delete plate just to cover it, then I made the little slit right here perfectly. So I'm not sure if you guys can see that bumper bar right there, but we're just gonna take off these bolts real quick, and then hopefully this will be easy. And I actually put grease on the threads right here so it doesn't get jacked up, especially since this is steel, so it might get corroded. So if you have like steel threads, I mean, most of the car is steel threads, by the way, you just got to make sure that it doesn't corrode. So next time you try to take it off, it's gonna get stuck. This is black oxide, so it does get pretty crappy. So you put one side here, then you put the other side on the bottom. There's plenty of space here, by the way. Okay, there you go. Looks like everyone and their mom's in my neighborhood right now. I don't know why. It's Saturday, so you know what that means. If you guys watch my videos on Saturdays, the gardeners love coming here when I'm recording videos. So yeah, there's that. So you just clamp it over the bumper. What is a bumper bar? It's my Asian coming out. The bumper bar right here. And then since this is a clamp style, you got to make sure that you do them evenly, because there's going to be a gap on that collar. You guys want to make something like this for your car, it's really not that hard. So there we go, pop that on, and then just line it up, make sure it's centered-ish. This looks kind of centered. I'm gonna have to pull on my bumper here just to see. Is it centered? I think it's centered, because there's only one way to tell. Pop that on, put the plate cover, and then yeah, there you go, nice and pretty. Put the bolts in. Now you're wondering what this is made out of. It's just aluminum, by the way. You could make it out of plastic too, but I had aluminum sitting around, so why not, right? So then pop this on, and then just center the plate. Okay, that feels good. There you go. And there you go. Now I'm just gonna center this exactly the way I want. Because mind you, the bolts are on the bottom, right? So I can tighten it from the bottom, and then everything should be Gucci. There you go. Nice. I'm just gonna torque it down, but you get the idea.